In the 1940s then, there was a group of citizens both here and both in Cincinnati in terms of African Americans, whites. They got together and they said, you know what, we know that this is the old Beecher family home. We also know that it is now a tavern, and so we don't want it to run down. And they're the ones who raised money to be able to purchase the house and turn it into a historic site. So we're going to go back up to the front hallway so you can see the plaque that was erected for people who gave at least $100 towards that cause. Follow me. This is a plaque honoring those people, and this is a portrait that shows the committee members that were involved in that. Thank you for learning with the Harriet Beecher Stowe House today. I'm Christina Hartlieb.